Chapter 1 Genealogical Structure, the Kinship System. A. Kinship. The main lines of the genealogical structure, general distribution. The whole of the Batak people derive their origin from Raja Batak. According to legend, he sprang from a descendant of a god. The child's mother, Sibogudia Parujar, had been commanded by the high god, the Batamu Rajari Naboron, to create the earth. Having done so, she went to live at Sianjung Mula Mula. This village, which later became the dwelling place of Raja Batak, also was situated on the slopes of Mount Pusuk Buhit. The Toba Batak regarded as the place of origin of the whole of the Batak people, including the Karo Batak. The oldest history tells of forest spirits, cyclops, and encounters with the daughters of gods and other supernatural beings, and of miraculous happenings, as well as events and episodes that could have taken place at the present time. Many of these stories contain a kernel of historical truth, others are only the local versions of Indonesian tales, and the more recent the stories are, the more likely they are to have some truth in them. In many of these tales, much is ascribed to individuals that so undoubtedly cover whole periods, particularly where very ancient history is concerned, and the reducing of the head marga and tribal groups back to one person is often found on a naive tendency to give things a concrete basis. So Raja Batak is said to have had two sons, Guru Tatia Budan and Raja Isumbaun, who have become the ancestors of the two moieties into which the Batak people, which are divided, Lontong and Sumba.